Stop earning with your time and start earning with your mind. 9 habits to stop in 2025 if you want to be richer than 99% of people. Everyone tells you what you should do to get rich. But today I'm telling you what you should stop doing. The small things compound into big things, and the big things compound into your bank account. So let's break it down. Number one, stop earning with your time. When you trade your time for money, your income is capped. Jobs give you 3 to 4% per year, but when you start to earn with your mind, there is no limits to the upside. So one, start selling your knowledge instead of your hours. Create digital products, create books, create courses, and sell, and they can be sold. They're selling while you're asleep. Passive income. So you want to leverage your equity, revenue shares, and passive income streams. Your time is limited, but your value isn't. Number two, stop living like a mess. Your environment shapes your productivity. It's a no-brainer. People with clean workplaces are guaranteed 94% of the time more productive than those that are messy, like those with messy decks. So spend at least 5 minutes before you start to clean up your area and at least 5 minutes afterwards. And this will set you in a routine and a ritual. And you can get a notebook if you like, because if that's your favorite thing to work with, or if you like scented candles or flowers on your desk, just make sure that your environment is an environment set for you to be productive. Number three we have on the list is stop procrastinating. It shrinks your frame. Work expands and fill the time you give it. And that's Parkinson's law. The longer you delay, the harder it gets. Give yourself 24-hour deadlines instead of waiting for a week. Why wait? So you want to set time blocks for tasks. Like if you're doing something, you want to give yourself 15 minutes or 30 minutes or 1 hour. So you want to commit and execute. And what you want to do, you want to act faster, and the faster you earn. The more you do, the more money you make. Money loves speed. Number four, stop saying yes to everything. Cut the problem. Every small yes drains your energy, focus, and productivity. So again, you want to time block your calendar. Protect your deep work time. Protect what you're doing. Focus on one thing, and that one thing must move the needle for you. It must be productive. If it doesn't align with your goal, say no. I mean, how can it hurt you if it's not aligning with your goal? The power of focus is the power of wealth. So stay focused. Don't say yes to everything. Number five, stop depending on inspiration all the time. What you have to do is to cultivate a discipline. Inspiration will fade, but the discipline compounds. So you get in a routine each time. So you want to focus on at least 3 major goals for the year and pursue them relentlessly. So, and you want to share your goals publicly, and it will hold you accountable. So there's an accountability part for you sharing it socially. And then you want to monitor and develop lasting habits. So inspiration is fleeting, but discipline will create the wealth that you desire. We're on to number 6, and that is stop overthinking. Take imperfect actions. Success isn't about perfection. It's about the momentum, how you carry, how you continue the consistency. So even a canoe moves forward without going in a straight line, a straight angle. So don't expect a straight and smooth path. Take action even when you're uncertain, even when you're scared. Every problem you solve leads to a bigger challenge and a bigger reward. So perfection kills progress. Action beats overthinking every time, any day. Now we move on to number 7. Stop drinking. Some persons love to drink. You drink alcohol, and it's not about cutting out the alcohol completely. But it's about the quality over the quantity. So cut the binge drinking because you need a sharp mind all the time. And what you have to do, you have to surround yourself with high-level people who inspire your growth and focus on experiences, not just numbing routine. The company you keep will shape your future. Trust me. Number 8, your network. Have you heard about your network is your net worth? So if your circle isn't and hasn't changed, but your age has, you're getting older and you still have the same people, you're doing it wrong. So you need to audit your closest your 5 closest relationships. Are they uplifting you? Are they dragging you down? So you have to strike a balance between those persons. Are they negative? Because you have to surround yourself with people who challenge you and who inspire you, because growth requires courage to level up. And we're on to number 9. Stop eating cereal for breakfast. Literally, metaphorically. Eat the frog. First, do the hardest things, the most important things, the most important task first. Avoid busy work. Avoid doing things that keeps you busy but doesn't get you anywhere. It's not a revenue generating activity. If it is uncomfortable, it's probably the right thing that you're doing. So chase the money, chase the dream, chase the passive income. Pick up your phone, call the deals, close the deals, send the proposals, send out those emails. Frogs are green and green is money. Time is the master. So your 2025 success formula is less distraction, more action. Less trading time, more leveraging your knowledge and what you know. So if you want freedom, you have to start making these changes now. Which one are you stopping first? Drop a comment in the comment section below and let me know. And it's time for us to level up in 2025. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.